Welcome to Session 20. Mixed rational expressions test several skills at once. Showing one transformation per line keeps signs and operation order visible. Today you will apply grouping and exponent rules, work multiplication and division left to right, finish addition and subtraction, and estimate intermediate results. Use grouping first, then exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, and addition and subtraction from left to right. In -4 plus -6 divided by 2, divide first. -6 divided by 2 is -3, and -4 plus -3 equals -7. A fraction bar groups its entire numerator and denominator, so complete each grouped part before dividing. Evaluate -5 squared with parentheses minus 3 squared. Step 1. Evaluate both powers first. Step 2. -5 squared with parentheses is positive 25, and 3 squared is 9. Step 3. Subtract 25 minus 9. Therefore, the expression equals 16. Check. Both powers are close to their exact values, so 16 is reasonable. Evaluate -12 divided by open parenthesis 2 minus 5, close parenthesis, plus 1. Step 1. Evaluate the parentheses. 2 minus 5 equals -3. Step 2. Divide -12 by -3 to get positive 4. Step 3. Add 1 to get 5. Therefore, the expression equals 5. Check. Substitution into each line confirms the operation order. A common error is performing every operation strictly from left to right. Multiplication and division must be completed before surrounding addition or subtraction. Use the correct method. Circle the next operation and rewrite one line at a time. Therefore, correct order preserves the intended grouping of the expression. A billing formula is 6 minus 2 times a -$3 adjustment. Step 1. Perform multiplication before subtraction. Step 2. 2 times -3 equals -6. Step 3. Rewrite 6 minus -6 as 6 plus 6. Therefore, the calculated billing value is $12. Let us recap. Group, exponentiate, multiply or divide, then add or subtract. For a quick check, consider 5 minus 3 times -2 plus -4. Multiply first, then 5 minus -6 minus 4 equals 7. Keep learning and practicing at bridge2exam.com. Visit www.bridgedoexam.com for the full lesson, practice questions, and instant feedback.